All right, today we are doing Math 6, Mission 4, Lesson 2, Meanings of Division. All right, so our warm-up today says, what are some ways to think about this expression? Describe at least 2 meanings you think it could have. So, depending on what you've learned in previous grades, you can look at this as divided into how many groups. So 20 is getting divided into 4 groups, so the number of groups. Or you can look at this as 20, we have 20 objects, things, and there are 4 in each group. So the number in each group. Okay? So I could have 4 groups, right? Or I could have 4 in each group. Okay, so there's a difference there. Number of groups, number in each group. All right. Activity 1 says, a baker has 12 pounds of almonds. She puts them in bags so that each bag has the same weight. Claire and Tyler drew diagrams and wrote equations to show how they were thinking about 12 divided by 6. So, like I said earlier in the warm-up, we can have number of groups or number in each group. So, what did Claire do? Did Claire do the number of groups? Does she have 6 groups? Or did she do the number in each group? Does she have 6 in each group? Well, she did the number in each group. So she has 2 groups with 6 in each. So she chose to do the number in each group. Okay. Tyler, on the other hand, does he have 6 groups or does he have 6 in each group? Well, he has 6 groups. So he did 6 groups instead. But they still get the same answer. It's just how you look at it. So a baker has 12 pounds of almonds. Claire said there are 6 pounds of almonds in each group or in each bag. And Tyler said there are 2 pounds of almonds in each group, and there are 6 bags. 6 bags, and hers is 6 pounds. 6 pounds of almonds in 2 bags, and his is 6 bags of almonds with 2 pounds of almonds in each bag. All right, so we have explained how Claire and Tyler thought about it, right? Claire thought about the number in each group, which means she said that there were 6 pounds in 2 bags. And Tyler said, nope, he's thinking about the number of groups. So his looks like 6 groups with 2 pounds each of almonds, right? Or not 6 groups. We're going to say, instead of groups, we're going to use the term bags because they're making bags of almonds. So 6 bags with 2 pounds of almonds in each bag. All right. Let's go on to the next activity. Explain what each division expression could mean in the context of bags of almonds. Then draw a diagram and write a multiplication equation to show how you're thinking about the expression. So remember, multiplication is just the opposite of division. So if we're dividing, we should be able to write a multiplication problem for that same thing. Okay? All right, so here we go. 12 divided by 4. So are we thinking about 4 groups? In this case, bags. Are we thinking about 4 bags? Or are we thinking about 4 pounds in each bag? That's what we have to decide. All right? So we're going to do it both ways. So the first one, let's do number of bags. So if we had 12 pounds, and if we said this 4 meant the number of groups, so the number of bags is green, then we would have to have 4 bags, right? So that would be something times 4 equals 12. Okay? So the number of bags. So what times 4 equals 12? Well, 3 times 4 equals 12. So we're thinking we have 4 bags. How many pounds of almonds go in each bag? We could also look at it as number of pounds in each bag, right? So this would be number in each group. So I know I have 4 that needs to go into each group. 4 times what gets me 12? Well, 4 times 3. So I need 3 groups of 4. Okay. So we have 4 pounds in 3 bags. We have 3 pounds over here in 4 bags. So number of bags or number of pounds in each bag. That's how we're going to think about this. All right, let's look at this one. So the first one is number of bags. So we're saying we have 2 bags. So I'm going to draw that. We're going to have 2 bags. And within those bags, it has to equal 12. So what times 2 gets me 12? Well, 6 times 2 gets me 12. So there are 6 pounds in 2 bags to equal 12 pounds. Now, if I'm over here, I'm asking myself, they all have to equal 12 pounds, but this is number of pounds in each group, right? So 2 pounds in each group times what gets me 12? Well, 2 times 6. So I need 6 bags with 2 pounds in each bag. 2 pounds, 6 bags. All right, let's look at the next one. 12 divided by 1/2. Now, this one is a little tricky because we know that when we have a larger dividend divided by a smaller divisor, we're going to get bigger numbers, but not too big, right? So let's talk about this. If I was doing 12 divided by 1, I would have, number of bags would be, I'm going to use blue here. Number of bags would be 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there would be 12 bags with 1 in each bag, right? 12 bags, 1 pound in each bag. But I want half-pound bags, right? So I want half-pound bags. So I need more bags because I'm cutting that 1 pound into a half a pound. So that's what this is going to look like. I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut it in half. So this 1 pound now becomes a half pound and a half pound. And I'm going to do that again, a half pound and a half pound. Again, a half pound and a half pound. Half, half. So what I'm asking is how many half pound bags now do I have? Well, if I had 12 and I cut them in half, I made more bags. So I actually have 24 bags here, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I have doubled the amount of bags. So that looks like what times 1/2 gets me 12? Well, how many bags, half bags did I make? I made 24 bags. And I'm sorry, I should have written the other way so that we kept it all together. Pounds come first, then bags. So 1/2 times what gets me 12? So if I have half a pound, I would need 24 bags to get me 12 pounds. All right, go ahead and go through your lesson summary.